From the store we got cornflakes, from the pantry comes Kix. We can all that is still, but it's better when mixed. For 3 friends system, the milk that is whole, with a spoon of fat in the cereal bowl. Wanna go rollerblading?
Jenny Sue's on the phone.
Nice shot, Gunny.
Where's Captain?
Captain!
Where be the starting point? We all know where that be.
What sort of booty you think?
Map's my brother's.
Could be lawn mowing cash, then real booty. Teach?
Well, plumber it. Plunder it. No. Sure?
Listen up there, dogs. This treasure's out there, awaiting us. We sail!
All hair aloft we ship with prow that parts the fated sea.
Look high, look low, and so sail we.
Look ahead, look astern, look to windward and a lee.
Look afar down the coast of high Barbary.
A man of war, a privateer, a merchant ship will ne'er be.
Blow high, blow low, and so sail we.
We're a band of salty pirates that be looking for their fee.
A cruising down the coast of high Barbary.
We tack east.
No, this is east. Pirates.
Army scum. Gunny! Ready the cannon.
Dallas, Pile, show 'em our cannons.
sing you a song, a good song of the sea. Away, Rio. I'll sing it to you if you'll sing it with me. And we're bound for the Rio Grande. And it's away, Rio. Away for Rio.
You lot, come with us.
You might rethink singing orders to the worst pirates with the 7 fields ever spat out. What you be scribbling?
Your confession. You're on trial for piracy. Her Honor is waiting.
All rise.
Come before the court, a quintet of dastardly villains by their own words.
Slaughter!
What's the charge?
Piracy, Your Honor. Willful destruction of a vessel in protected waters. The accuser demands no quarter.
Send the representative to the stand.
Do you deny your piracy, pirate?
Give us an order, drinking gin.
Hi-yo, chicken on a raft.
So, you're saying the responsible party was inebriated.
Dab to his fore in the dustbin aft, sitting there picking on chicken on a raft.
Hi-yo, chicken on a raft. Hey-yo, chicken on a raft. Hi-yo, chicken on a raft.
What's happening?
The chicken on your raft defense. No one understands what it means, so we can't use it on them. I'm ready to rule.
What? No fair.
The court finds the captain responsible. Put him in the brig till past dinner time.
Spring me a scurvy dog, show loyalty to your captain.
Plumber it good. There is not sports in here.
Those are Dad's.
Tell him and I'll break your Legos.
You taught me the pirate code, but you don't play anymore. You don't play anything. Brother, I've not forgotten that you gave me this.
Yeah, I used to play dress up like a lame tart too. Maybe you should grow up.
Maybe let's settle this once and for all. Let's just see.
15 men on a dead man's chest.
Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum.
Drinking the devil had done with the rest. Captain?
I escaped ninja style.
Let's play ninjas!
Yeah!
We'll be alright if we rap before the meal. We'll be alright if we rap before the meal. We'll be alright if we rap before the meal. And we'll all hang on behind. And we'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. And we'll all hang on behind. We'll be alright if we get another take. Yeah, we'll be alright if we get another take. We'll be alright if we get another take. And we'll all hang on behind. And we'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. We'll roll the old chariot along. And we'll all hang on behind. Well, a drop of butter pop wouldn't do us any harm. No, a drop of butter pop wouldn't do us any harm. Well, a drop of butter pop